Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check actual battery rated capacity in your Samsung phone. So at first just swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. Now after open the settings app, scroll all the way down and then go to about phone. From here scroll down again, then go to battery information. From here you can check your battery details. Here you can see my battery capacity is 5000 mAh. But here you can find some description about your battery, and here you can see the rated capacity is 4860 mAh, which is your actual battery rated capacity, and that's it. Also, if you cannot find this option here, just go back and then scroll up, then go to battery. From here scroll all the way down and go to battery information. And that's it. You can also check your battery details from here. And that is how you can check your actual battery rated capacity in your Samsung phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.